traders, you all know it's dreycosting, back with another banger. Alright, so from where I left off, my stop loss got hit. So yeah, that run on the reversal field, right? So GJ just been making a massive rally since the start of 2023. It's just been going up, and you know what I mean, and that's been going crazily up, you know what I mean. All right, so how are we gonna do this now? It's simple. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start from scratch, you know what I mean, and to look at things freshly. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we had a strong level created here, you know what I mean. So this is how I take off my levels. So looking back, right, floor, right. Notice that I'm using like two lines and not really one line, right, because support and resistance is an area, right? It's an area and not a line per se, right? We broke this level right here. So we broke this level right here that we spoke about. Alright, this is the level here. Alright, so let's put back another line right there, right? So we're above that level right now. So let's get rid of these lines as well, because these are no longer relevant, and we started trend here. Alright, let's see if we can look across, see if we can pick up some zones. Let's see if I can open up. I have to look way across because GJ haven't been up here in a long time, so I have to be looking way across to get the zones, right? Alright, so this look like the zones that we want. Floor V there, respect here, right, respect here. Alright, so I like that zone that I'm looking at. GJ have not been up here for a very good while, right? So I'm just showing you how I look at my zone from scratch, right? But even when I come up here like that, right, I'm still not picking out. This zone is still not recognizing properly. So let me remove that, right? So let me show you what I'm looking at. Even though no form of strong, what I put it now, like nice little candles coming back right here, this was actually a retracement, right? So this was actually a retracement, yeah. So if I look at from here, let me see, get rid of that from about here. Think about that too, please. About here to here, right? No, that's not where it started from. Check again. All right, there we go. All right, so from here to here, right, we have that 61.8 region, right? So let's mark off here as a zone. All right, so it made a pullback here, then it push up again. So let's check 61.8 from here. All right, cool breeze. You can return to trend about here. All right, fair enough. All right, so I say I have to be taking this thing from scratch because the charts is just totally different right now. All right, so what we're looking at is that we had a strong push. We had a strong push from here. When I went all the way up there, right? We had some form of, we touched this zone right here, made a high pullback, and then we push up. So I'm looking for some form of pullback to the trend area right here, and then look to continue up, right? Because this right here is the roof form, pullback breakthrough, right? I want some form of pullback right here before I look to continue up, right? So let's say the push from here to here, that's, call it 100 pips, retrace back to here, right? around 50. Alright, I'm looking at this area for retracement, right? I want GJ to come back in this zone, and then afterwards I'm going to look to continue in this uptrend. Alright, simple as that. Alright, I don't need to put the line so long. So these are the lows that we're looking at. These are the lows that we're looking at. I really don't, the fact that it finally break this area, I really don't expect GJ to come back in a downtrend, truth be told. Alright. I really don't expect it to come back in a downtrend. I'm not even gonna front. Alright, so we're looking for GJ to like probably push here, retrace back here, and to continue up, right? Simple as that. Alright, as I said, I don't expect it to come back into a downtrend. Not saying that it can't come back into a downtrend, but I don't expect it to come back into a downtrend. Alright, so we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna have like one line, 185.821. Alright, 185.821. So area of caution. Alright, so one buys above. So this is the buy zone. Alright, so buys above 185.821, right? And then I really don't expect it to come back down. I really don't. But if it does, you know what I mean, we'll always have to look for the downside. Sells below 185.821, right? So this is the movement I'm looking at. At the time of this recording, I expect GJ to probably push a little bit here, and then we're looking for the retracement to continue up, right? So you can set your alarms around 185.969 and waiting for support to form. So want GJ to come back, y'all notify when it come back. Want support to form. Bearish candle closure, we got the bottom. Bullish candle closure, we got the bottom, and then look to continue to buy off this strong zone right here, right? So I'm looking for GJ to come back to this zone right here. As I said, this is a major zone. If you go, for those who can see it like that, if you go off the H4 level, right? So this is a strong push. So this is a strong push, right? Strong push. So I expect GJ to break here, come back here, and then we're gonna look to like make a massive move from there, right? So that's what we're looking at. All right, so it finally broke that strong level that we're looking for it to break. I've been looking for GJ to break that level for some time now, so it finally broke it. So waiting for a retracement back to around this area, 185.969, 185.821. So anywhere around this area right here, once support is formed, bearish candle closure, we got the bottom, bullish candle closure, we got the bottom, then you can look to continue up. But we also have to look for the downside. So if GJ comes right here, form support, right, with form support and does something like this, fake out and come back here, retest lower high, form resistance, bullish candle closure, we got the top, bearish candle closure, we got the top, then you're gonna look to continue down for sell. So I still have to talk about the downside, but truth be told, I'm not looking for GJ to come back down, right? Because as I said, it has broken this barrier, this strong area that it has been trying to break. So once GJ normally breaks some strong barrier, it normally saying that it's ready to start performing at a higher market structure, right? So it want to perform at a higher level, and I said it's been a while since GJ actually went up to this type of level. I mean, I think it going far as back around 2018 thereabout. Let me go on the 1M. All right, it's been a while, right? It's been so this is why it's good to know your peer. I know what's going on, right? So looking off the monthly, right? So if you come all the way back here, so this is around what? When last it was up there, around 2015 or 2018. You know what I mean? It's been a while since GJ actually was around this level. So like GJ just been really massive, and I don't know if it's gonna really go as far as this 2000 level, right? It's been a while since GJ like reach up to this level. It's been a while, you know what I mean? It's been a while. So probably touched by the 2015 level, because that's roughly 1,000 pips before it started to reverse, right? So I don't know if it's gonna come up to this level right here, All right, we have to bring out the higher time frame for you guys today because it's been a while, right? So I don't know if it's gonna touch here and then start to turn over, because I've been looking for GJ to turn over for some time now, because I said since the start of 2023, GJ just been in a massive uprise and it hasn't looked back since, right? So I know my peer, I know what it's doing, and that's one of the reasons, you know what I mean, I like to trade the one peer. I know the belly of the beast, I know where it's at, I know what it's doing, and so much more, right? So I've been looking for a turnover because that is why I was looking for the downtrend for such a long-term move, because GJ have been rallying up all year since 2023. So I was saying to myself that we're coming to the end of the year, so probably it's time for it to turn over, but it's ain't turning over, you know what I mean? So let's just see if it's between November and December, if it's going to rally that 1,000 pip back to that 2050 mark and then start to turn over, or if it's going to break that to go all the way back to that 2008, 2009 mark. I don't know, but for now, we're just doing our regular intraday thing, so we're just waiting for GJ to come back to this level to continue. But GJ is definitely in an uptrend, right? So right now I'm not in a position, so I'm just chilling and waiting on GJ to return to trend to continue up. All right. So until tomorrow, straight balling, no stalling. I'm out.